How do I make money on ConnectYu? The first thing you have to do is to have an account on ConnectYu, which you can log on to www.connectyu.com. You can either choose to sign up or you can use social login, which we accept Facebook for now for sign up. So the first thing, you get an account. When you get into your account, the next thing is to upgrade your account. And when you upgrade your account, you have 60 points already. That means you just put in your profile picture, your date of birth, everything is equal to 60 points. Affiliate link. Why will I use a platform that I cannot invite my friend to be part of? When you create your account on ConnectYu, the platform automatically generates a unique referral link for you. This link you can share to your friends to join the platform. Why will you use a platform that you cannot invite your friends? And for each person that use your referral link to join the platform, you have 300 francs automatically. The next way of making money on ConnectYu is by creating a blog post. When you create a blog post, you automatically earn 300 francs. And for each 1,000 views of that blog post, that means if 1,000 people view your blog post on ConnectYu, you earn 600 francs. When you comment on ConnectYu, you earn 5 points. When you create a post on ConnectYu, be it a picture post, be it a complex or any simple post, you earn 10 points. When you like or react to any post on ConnectYu, you earn 2 points. All these points are automatically converted into real money, which is stored in your wallet, which you can withdraw at any time via Momo, via PayPal, bank transfer, and many other means. ConnectYu has a peer-to-peer marketplace. That is, any user can sell any product to any other user anytime. And the good thing is that we don't keep any money from that transaction. Do you know you can send money to anybody anywhere in the world? That is, if the person is a user on the ConnectYu platform. As easy as sending a text message. ConnectYu is a good and promising platform for Cameroonians and Africans, because on ConnectYu, let's say you are a businessman, let's say you want to advertise your business or your company or whatsoever you want to advertise. On ConnectYu, you can generate the money you use to sponsor this advertisement. But on other platforms, you have to pay for this. ConnectYu gives you the advantage to generate the money. When you like, when you share, when you comment, when you do a post, you automatically generate this money. Such that if you want to advertise your post or your product, you can then use this money to sponsor this post. Remember, you can use this money to buy any product on ConnectYu or sponsor advertisement, that is to advertise your product or your business on ConnectYu. Log on to www.connectyu.com and connect with me. Let's make money.